Stage of your new home. So from your front door, you walk in straight ahead. And you go to your left, have a bedroom. Nice. Size house. Bathroom. So these two bedrooms. Bedroom. Shares this bathroom. Pretty cool, eh? So this is your family room, as you can see. Very nice. A nice dining room. Dining room, and overlooks the kitchen, family room. Overlooks the outside area, which is beautiful. Overlooks the golf course, really nice. Beautiful view, as you can see. It's called the Lanai, and it's beautiful. It overlooks the golf course, as you can see. It has an outdoor kitchen, and look at the view of that pool. Isn't it awesome? Look at the view of all over. And this is just the outdoor. If you're looking for some more information on this beautiful community, contact my team and I at 321-231-8487. So welcome to the inside. And this is your laundry room, right off your master. Look how beautiful that view is. Your master. And this master is downstairs. This is this two-story home, as you can see. And then here's a second walk-in closet with this inside the master bath. So we are on the upstairs now, as you can see. And this is a big game room. Okay, you can treat it as you like. If you're looking for a living room upstairs or you're just looking for a game room, this is awesome. Surround sounds in the ceiling. Kids can hang out up here. So it has a bathroom up here, a game room, and this is your upstairs bedroom.